So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, beating my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright guys, now it's really snowing out here, and the snow is accumulating on my camera, so I'm gonna have to make this quick. If you look, let me see, you might not be able to see this, but there's about a good foot right there. Man, it's wild out here. Sculpture, what remains of it. There's a wood pile, it's almost buried. Wow. It's deep. Oh wow. Here's the go-kart. Alright. It's time for a little cold start here. Actually, yeah, a real cold start. It's been a month since I started this, and well, I already checked the oil and all that stuff, and let's see if she'll fire up. It's probably about 15 degrees Fahrenheit. See what happens. Make sure we're neutral here. She went a little bit. Come on, baby. There she goes. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's do a bonus cold start here. This is not, I don't know, not a real cold start. I started this yesterday, but still a cold start considering how cold it is outside. Let's see if this